Hi, I am Nick. Today I will reaction this cute video. Hope you love it. So cute, OMG.
Apparently this filter tells you what you want.
I hate everyone, but man, oh man, you're my best friend. I'll scream it all the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need.
This is freaking cute.
Excuse me, Miss Lady, did you climb into that bowl? That is not for sitting, it's not a jacuzzi. Come on out. That sounds like she said no. Come on out.
How do you feel about cute animals? So cute, OMG.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Meow. Meow.
So cute, OMG.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Show your dog as a puppy versus now.
This is freaking cute.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
I know it's been a while, but let's see if he remembers me. What's up, Arlo? Hi, buddy. Oh my God, what's up, dude? Hi, look at that tail go. Where's the other one? Where's Tucker? Huh? Where's Tucker at? Huh? Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh, I know, bud. I know. It's been so long. I know. I get to see all my favorite doggos today. Yeah, I do. I remember when you were just a little tiny guy. I do. A little tiny guy. Now you big guy. Stop growing. Quit getting big. Stay little forever.
You like that?
Do you have a pet?
god. Oh my god, this is so cool.
I love it.
This is so funny. This is so cool. This is. Oh my god.
People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share the video.